Okay, so here I'm discussing the chapter that is chapter number 13, Geometrical Optics, class 10th, right? So first topic that is reflection. What is reflection? Reflection is basically the light coming from a medium, it strikes on a surface. This is normal and goes back with the same angle in the same medium is known as reflection, right? Here this is ray. Let me elaborate as well. What is ray? Ray is something that has the starting point but we don't know when it ends, so that is called ray. And beam is called the collection of rays is known as beam, right? Here this is called incident ray, and here the angle, that is angle of incidence. Angle of this is reflected ray, this is reflected angle, and this is reflected ray, right? Talking about the definition, so the bouncing back of light from one medium right? The bouncing, give me a minute, sorry. The bouncing back of light from one medium to another, the bouncing back of light from one medium to another and reflected back to the same surface. Here the medium is same, right? When it reflected back, so the medium becomes same. So now the talking about the types of reflection. Okay, so talking about the type of reflection, there are two type of reflection, the regular and the irregular. What is regular reflection? Basically this is the surface, light comes here, 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 it goes like this, this and this, like here the laws of, here is the same, this is normal, here normal. Here the angle of incidence is directly like equal to angle of reflection. This is explained by the law of reflection. I am gonna elaborate this as well, so just wait and watch. Second, irregular. Here talking about irregular reflection, light comes here, goes there, comes here, goes here, here, or wherever it wants it to bend, like, right? This is normal. But here the same condition is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, right? So let's talk about the example of it. The example for the regular reflection is highly polished mirror. For example, when you look yourself in the mirror, you clearly reflect what you actually are. Of course, there a little light is like absorbed in the mirror, but almost the light is reflected. And talking about talking about the laws of reflection, there are two laws of reflection. So the laws of reflection, what the first law says the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here, as I explained before, the mirrors, so these conditions are valid on that as well, right? This is called the first law. First law, right? So talking about the second law says the incident ray As I mentioned before, this is incident ray, this is the plane, this is normal, here this is normal, this is reflected ray, angle of reflection, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. It basically explains the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie on the same surface. As you can see, this is the same surface. yahin pe like everything is here, reflection angle, normal and the reflected ray, all are here. So these law of reflection are apply on all type of reflection, including reflection of spherical mirrors. Like as we know that there are spherical mirrors as well as plane mirror. Now what are spherical mirrors and what are plane mirror? So the plane mirror is what you see your image yourself daily, that is called plane mirror, right? And spherical mirror are concave and convex. These are called spherical mirrors. So the law of reflection is also applicable on this.